Seems like lately everything I do doesn't work. This one's too small. I don't know if there'd be enough clearance if I cut this out, whether it would even matter to weld something in that's a little longer. It's only going to give me an inch or two, and the front of the tank's probably going to be too far forward if I use the propane tank. But I need to make a cross brace from here to here and support it off the frame. But I'm sitting in the house thinking, if the sun goes down, maybe I can put the second axle in. Let's turn on the power here. Oh, she's empty. That'll be a while. Give me a minute. Alright, so I'm over here cleaning these bolts. I'm gonna wire brush every one of them like this. Nice and clean. And then I'm going to paint them flat black just so they're not just bare metal rust. And all I'm using is my little $10 6-inch grinder. I need a new brush, but it works. We'll get a new one. Okay, new mower. Only a few left. Because I think I have one bolt. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got one more plate and 3 more bolts. One more plate and 4 more bolts. My brush is a piece of crap. I have no idea where my other ones went. I have no clue. I gotta clean. I really gotta clean. I keep saying that. It's just too freaking hot in here. The sweat is pooling off my head. I got the fan pointed straight at me, but that don't seem to help much. I am not seeing them. I gotta find those too. See those clips? I gotta find all 4 of those or 8 of those for my pistons, because I don't know where those went. Losing my mind. Put it down, can't find it, you know, things like that. They're here somewhere. I better not put this down, I'll lose it. Might be in that top drawer. I have 2 boxes like this full of stuff, so. Oh, there's an ant stuck in there, see him? The little guy. Let's see if we can get him out. Without him freaking. You can't freak, buddy. Oh, I'm gonna crush you. Oh, come on. Can't do it lefty. Come on, buddy. I'll help you out. Trying. And you're free. Well, you're hurting, but you're free. There you go. Get that broken leg taken care of. Stop walking in circles. Okay, a few more, then I'm going to paint these suckers. I found a use for the empty box. So when I can paint all over my ladder, not that I care, but just to hold them up in the air, it's kind of dry. So they're all wire brushed. And we're going to paint them high heat stove black, just because that's pretty much all I have. Well, that's all I got time for tonight. I'll be sure to add this to a video because it's probably going to be like 10 minutes long. The cabinet's all clean. See, these are all black. I don't know if you can hear that, it's my neighbor who thinks he can play drums. And I mean thinks. He is terrible. He's right up there. There's a little tan house over there. Oh my god. It's killing me. Alright, what else do I gotta do? Well, when those dry, the axle can go in. I gotta find some metal. I'm gonna make a list. I think that'd be the best thing to do. Make a list of what's got to be done and just go down the list one at a time, you know? I gotta put the engine back together. Yeah, I know. I gotta put the new $30 distributor drive gear on the crank. Not impressed about doing that, but I'll take my time. We'll get it done. I had one left, Rich. Thank you very much for the bolts you gave me. I'm gonna put this somewhere where I can see it. Should hang it from the ceiling in the middle of the garage, then I'll find it. Yeah. At least nothing gets water damage or anything on the floor in here, you know what I mean? There's nothing bad in here. Here's the new axle. Yeah. Can't wait to put that puppy in. And then that's it. It's in, it's done, you know. I don't have to go back to it, I hope. I do have globs of grease to put in here too. Because they're nice and clean. I cleaned them all. Took the best ones out of like 8. Can't believe I don't have any bolts. Well, actually, the ones that I had didn't have many bolts. And a lot of them were stripped. It's a very hard bolt to get off. And if you can't get it off, it strips right out. It's terrible. There's a way to using that tool when you put it in the bolt. When you put it in the bolt, right, you got to clean out the dirt first, of course. When you put it in the bolt, it's got a little bit of play. I'll tell you, if it doesn't fit, you grind the face off a little because it's tapered. But don't take too much because then it won't have any teeth. This one came out, amazingly enough, with very little teeth it has left. But that's the worst one of like 12 or so that I got from Rich. My biggest fan. I'm going to kill it, and I am going in. I'll take some pictures. Nothing crazy. I'll add this to another video so it becomes one long video instead of like 10 minute, 10 minute, 10 minute. But that seems to be the average lately, is these 10-minute videos. So you have a good night. I just noticed looking today, I'm like 1 subscriber away from having 3,000. So, whoop, almost dropped you. That would have sucked. Thanks to all my followers. 3,000 is pretty cool. I think when I first started this a couple of years ago, it was like 20 people, you know, and it just builds up over the years. But 3,000, I don't know that many people. I think a lot of people just follow, and it's a little hot in here. A lot of people follow and don't reply. Feel free to reply. I don't care, good or bad. If it's really bad, you won't be back tomorrow. That's how it goes. But I'm Rob in New Hampshire. Have a good night. Oh yeah, this is the T-bar. Now that rod ain't going to be that long, but this is about where it would go. Of course, not on the ground. This thing's going to lap over the tube. We drill a hole on both sides after we make sure it's nice and straight with the pedals. There's bugs out here. But that's it. It kind of like hits the back of your ankles. And I think it's got a few inches over the frame. Let me put it in the center here. Yeah, it's got a few inches over the pedal, but not that much. I think when this is curled up like this and it's locked that way, in the upward angle, it'll be pretty neat when it's right behind it. Like that. That's pretty cool. And that's pretty cool. Oh, I was wet sanding the thing. Oops, gotta wash that off. Let's just see how smooth I can get this. Because it's got a lot of nicks and scars from whoever built the thing. It's got spot putty, it's got a little bit here. That whole thing's got to be block sanded. And that's going to be a trick. Whew. See ya. And my wife loves this while she's sleeping.